Hey guys, if you are not using AI automation in your work, you waste time and effort. Thus, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can publish hundreds or even thousands of viral pins into your Pinterest account with a click of a button throughout the entire month while you are doing something else. So kindly follow me in this tutorial step by step. And now, let's get started. And the first step in today's video, just head over to ChatGPT, where you can craft your main content or the core message in your pins. So for example, if you are working in the self-improvement niche or fitness or weight loss and so on, so here you can get your message or your advice and your tips and tricks and so on. So I just take a self-improvement niche as a demonstration in our today's tutorial. So here I just ask ChatGPT to give us some pieces of advice regarding this specific niche. So we can type this prompt together, like give. Here you can insert your number you want of your viral pins. Either they are 5, 10, 100, 1000 as you like. So I just take 5 pins as an example in our method. So give me 5 pieces of advice about self-improvement and make them concise and short. And here we get some and a bunch of these beautiful pieces of advice regarding self-improvement, like how you can make a better version of yourself, how to grow your mindset, and so on. Perfect. And now, second step here in the ChatGPT, just we can ask it to give us a powerful title and description for each of these your viral pins, in other words. And however, heads up, we want to make our viral pins just search engine optimized and optimized with your keywords to show up higher on the feed search results on Pinterest. And for that, I just packed for you a big free bundle of the most beautiful keywords extracted directly from Pinterest.com. About 40 plus the highly demanded niches. And here I just give you also a premium Pinterest bundle that contains over 150,000 of these long tail keywords with many of these perks. For sure, I just explained both of these bundles. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, I just head over to the free Pinterest keywords. And here you can find many of these beautiful niches on Pinterest. And that's for talking about the self-improvement one. So I will head over to this one, self-improvement keywords data. Click over it. It would be like that because it's a CSV file. So just to prepare it to be more visible, page layout here, and it shoot right to left. Then select the first column, head over to data up there, text to column, then check this delimited option, next, comma 1, and next, finish. That's it. So here you can find all these keywords regarding self-improvement that are extracted directly from Pinterest with their ranking on Pinterest auto suggestions. So here I wanna get the most popular keywords regarding self-improvement for anyone search about this niche. So I can head over to the rank here and I just go up there to data to filter all these results and refine these results by their rank. So I will just filter them to get only the rank 1 and 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, like for self-improvement tips, self-improvement by the word, improvement, quotes, challenge, essay, goals, guide, and so on, habits. So I just pick some of them quickly, like this one, control, guide, and habits and ideas, and just copy and open a new text file to insert these keywords one by one. Okay, like this one, copy here as well. Perfect for quotes, for example, for motivation, and so on and so forth. Then it's time now to copy all of these keywords and go back again to ChatGPT, where we can ask it to give us a beautiful and a powerful title and Pinterest description for each piece of advice. and make them search engine optimized and include these keywords. So here I can type this such prompt in a table form and paste these keywords and click over enter. And just a matter of seconds, ChatGPT would craft a beautiful table of this data, as you see, for every single advice. This title, the description with relevant hashtags, and all of them are search engine optimized with your keywords like self-improvement, journey, advice, tips, and so on and so forth. So now we can go to the second step. Just we can copy this entire table and insert in a Google Sheet. So we can copy and go to Google Sheets and open a blank one, and here insert your data, Control V. So here we can insert this header, this is a title, and for this description, and we can make the first column that is ID that we wanna need later on this video. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we can name this spreadsheet anything like self improvement and so on and so forth. Save it. Now we can move on to the third step in our today's topic, that is by crafting and generating these viral pins. And the best place for sure is canva.com. So now we can go to canva.com and go to the search bar and search for Pinterest pin. And then you have two options. Either you can create your one from scratch, or you can get one of these beautiful done for you templates. So to be quick in this video, I just pick one of these simple ones, and here I would like to try something like this one. Okay, it's a simple and basic one. Okay, and I customize this template. And here for that method, I just wanna add some amazing images into my viral pins. So you can head over to any free website to give you free images for commercial use like Pixabay, Unsplash, Pixels, and so on. So I can go to Unsplash and look for something like self-improvement or related to our topic and our niche. So like this one for example, and this one downloaded, this one, and so on and so forth. 5 unique images from free resources. So now we can go back to Canva and upload all of these images, and now we can customize this template a little bit to make our new viral pins. So here I just remove this number 10 and make it in the center, make it bigger a little bit. Okay, and you can remove this image because it's irrelevant to our topic. And now we can go to element section and go down a little bit to section that says grids, and here you can pick this one, okay, to fill the entire canvas. And here we can remove this brown rectangle, or you can leave it as you want to announce something like link in bio if you want to promote something in your link in bio on Pinterest and so on. So I just keep it as it is as a decoration. Okay, and for sure it's a basic design for your Pinterest, and it's up to you to make yours more elegant and more professional, but it's for a demonstration in this video. And now your template ready to make your viral pins. So now we can go to this left panel on Canva and go to something beautiful that is bulk create. And you can have two options. Either you can enter data manually or upload your file. So I just go for the first option, and here we can clear the whole table and insert our data. Here you can insert the pieces of advice that we have got from ChatGPT in the first place. So here we can go to ChatGPT and go these pieces of advice and copy all of them and go to Canva and insert all of these once. Perfect. Now we can insert the next column that's about image, and here insert the images that you have uploaded to Canva one by one. So I just, for the first one, click over this plus icon and you can find this image like this one, and the second like this one, and the third like this one, and the fourth like this one, and the fifth would be like this one. Perfect. These images that I downloaded from on Splash. Then done. We can name this one GG and done. So now we can replace this dynamic text with your advice. So click over it and click over connect data. Select your column here, and as for image, connect data, and connect the second column that says image. Perfect. And now continue to generate new unique 5 viral pins. Generate 5 designs. As you see, amazing viral pins regarding your topic with relevant images from free sources. So now we can actually customize it as you want, and so on and so forth. And now it's time to download all these amazing pins. Download as PNG files, download, and your zip file would be like this one that contains your pins. So now just you can rename this folder like for self, for example, ambo. Okay, quickly. And now we can extract all these files. Perfect. And now we can move on to the next step. Just we want to upload this entire file in a drive. It could be Google Drive, Dropbox, Mega, and so on. So here in today's video, I'm gonna choose the Dropbox. Sign up for free in Dropbox, and click over this button, upload or drop your folder, upload. In just a few seconds, your Pinterest pin folder would be uploaded. Awesome. And now it's time to move on to a great slice of our today's tutorial, that is set your AI automation. And you can do that on an awesome website that is make.com. Here you can set your AI automations and connect many wide range of these applications and platforms, up to 2000 applications, to make your automations. And the best part here, Make.com provides us a generous free plan. You can run up to 1000 operations per month. So now, just you can stick with me in this tutorial how we can set your AI automation to publish your pins into Pinterest account. And here, basically on Make.com, to make your AI automation, you can make something that says scenario, and every single scenario consists of different modules or different applications that are connected to each other to make this automation and works fine. So just we can start here by this plus icon here in our scenario, and now we can start with something that says repeater, this one. And that means you can repeat the task just to publish the number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so on. So here you can set this initial value as it is, and here it repeats that task or repeat the publishing workflow 5 times. So we can set it 5, okay, to publish our 5 viral pins. Click over this button, save. And then you can find a mini plus icon here. That means you can connect your first initiator or the first module with another application or another module. So you click over this plus icon, and here we can connect our repeater application with your Dropbox. Yes, that we have upload there our folder. So now we can search for this one, Dropbox here, and select this one, download a file prior to publish these pins into Pinterest account. So just we upload before, and now we wanna download it in autopilot. So select this one, download a file, this one, and for sure for every single application or every single module, you need to connect it and verify with your account on this platform. So we can connect our Make.com with Dropbox and with ChatGPT, for example, Canva, and so on and so forth. So here just you can add, save. And now way of selecting files, select a file, and here just be mindful of this upcoming step. Here in this file section, click here to choose your file that we give it a name before, that is self-embo, and then click over this plus icon here to find all these files or all these viral pins. So we can select this one for example, and if you keep these settings as they are, here you would repeat this number 1 pin over and over again, but we want to publish all these 5 pins. So I just toggle this option to map and go back to this number 1, okay, and delete it and select this one, this I. That means here you can also download the all files found on this folder that's in Dropbox prior to publish them later. Perfect. And for sure, using the power of repeater application. That's it. So now we can save this option, and now we can connect Dropbox with another module, and that would be a Google Sheet. So now we can Google this one, search rows to grasp data from our Google Sheet. So we can select this one, search rows, and likewise you can connect your Google Sheet and your Google account with make.com. Perfect here. And for the search method, we can search from my drive, okay, and spreadsheet ID or the name of your spreadsheet, and for sure we give it name like this one, self-m, and for sheet name we can give it name this sheet number 1. And table contains headers. Yes, it contains some headers as you see here, like the title, ID, description, and so on. And column range, the all cells that contain data. And we can leave filter empty. And order by, here you can select this one, the first column, the ID. Okay, this one, ID number 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's ascending order of our viral pins. And field type, as for this sheet data terminology, so we can select this one, number. And for sure, if you the first column here that contains words or sentences, so we can select this string. But here, just we specify this first column to do this step, the ID that contains numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Thus, field type is number. Sort order ascending, yes, from 1 to 5. Limit, so we can make it 1. Okay, perfect here. Then save your option in this module. And now just we can connect Google Sheets with another module, the last step in our workflow, that is Pinterest. So now click over this plus icon again, and here we can search for Pinterest to create your pins and publish them. Pinterest here, create a new pin like this one, and now we can connect it with make, save. Amazing. For a media source, so just select this one, image page 64, and if your pins are videos, so you can select this video, or if you publish your Pinterest pins that get from URL, so you can select this option. Okay, but today's tutorial select these images because our Pinterest type is PNG, content type PNG. Okay, file is found on Dropbox, and just I have ordered this option, download this folder as a standard, so you can leave it empty. The port, just you can set your port to publish these pins. So I just quickly make it a do it yourself and crafts, for example, quickly, and set this port section as it is. And as for title and description that we have done before in our Google Sheet. So when you click over this box regarding the title, here you can find this Google Sheet data. So we can select this, the second column that says title here. Okay, and as for description, the same. So we can set this the C column as you observe. And now we can leave all these ones as they are and save. Okay, save. You've got to save your scenario. And now you can find down below some customization and editing tools as for your scenario. And here you can find this option to publish and schedule your Pinterest pins into Pinterest. So when you click over this option here, you can make an intervals between the pin and another, just 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour, and so on. And for sure, the best time here for Pinterest not to be spam, just you can set this duration or this time intervals not less than 30 minutes. So the best for you to work fine on Pinterest, just you can make it an hour or something like that. Okay. So here too, as an demonstration in this video, I just click over this button run once to show you the all 5 pins would published immediately to my Pinterest account. So click over this button run once, but for you, just you can set this one every 30 minutes, every an hour, every 2 hours, and so on. And here all pins are published to my Pinterest account. So let's see. As you observe, all my pins are published here on my Pinterest account. And to know all these title and descriptions, so you can click over this one, for example. Here you can find this text, this advice, and this title as you see, and this you can find your description with a call to action with different hashtags as you said before on Google Sheet. Perfect, isn't it? So here you can publish hundreds or even thousands of these Pinterest pins into your Pinterest account on autopilot while you are sleeping, while you are doing something else, to save hours and effort to work on Pinterest. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.